welcome to another episode. We've had some pretty awful weather here, but yesterday was glorious. So finally, when we put the herb boxes up, we finally got around to filling them and sorting a few plants out. And then I was looking at the window boxes to see what I had to do for them, and I had a little discovery. Come and have a look. As I'm walking through, we store them over winter in the back, the window boxes. And as I was walking through, I stepped on glass and was hopeful that it wasn't the new windows that we had bought or acquired. And it wasn't. I looked up and found that a window had come in. I had heard this actually when the wind was that bad. I had heard this and I put it down to being something metal at the front that had fallen, but in actual fact it was the window, and it's pretty rotten, so we are going to be replacing that. So we were given this window, so hoping this one may fit, but looking at it I'm not sure it's going to be wide enough actually. Aidan's just getting a tape measure. But we do have a few more that we were given as well upstairs, so we'll have a look at those as well. Hey! What? Hello, mate. So we need 1 metre wide by 115 tall. So, oh well, that's, yeah, nowhere near wide enough.
120.
Okay, so that's too tall and not wide enough. So let's take a look upstairs.
1 second.
Oh, hang on, we've got a few more on behind some dusty bikes. Oh, they're the same though, aren't they?
I think so.
Oh, there's one bigger one at the back, Aidan.
1 second.
Ah, that's a good idea. Right on them, what they are. So
850 wide. 116.
Yeah, they're all going to be the same.
Yeah, but you said this.
There's one at the back, but if it's a double window, we need it for the back of the house rather than...
It is a double, but it's not high enough for the back of the house. The back of the house, we've got 2 or 3 lined up for that. That's 108 wide.
I thought this was the third one.
1, 2, no, it might be.
There's 2 in the other and 1 there,
Yeah,
I think it
that might
is.
be
So let's
one.
have a look at the ones that we've got upstairs. So these are some of the windows. There's some there as well, but they're nowhere near wide enough. But what have we found here?
We have a window here, 995 millimetres wide.
Okay, that's close enough.
994 millimetres wide, and that's 99 as well.
So those 3, what height are they then?
Height is 1035. That one, yeah, just over 1 metre.
Okay, so that's
101,
quite a bit
102,
shorter then.
Yeah, but in the space
10
we've got,
centimetres.
we can lift it up and put something underneath because
What's
it's
that one hidden behind there?
that is an old one.
Yeah, would
Single
that
player.
fit?
No, nowhere near 1 metre
That's
wide.
nowhere near big enough, is it? And they're wooden on the inside. Hang on, I'll turn you around. They're on its side. They're really nice windows.
Yeah. These have been rescued from a local house. The guy was putting plastic windows in, but these are still in really good condition. They've got no middle spross in the bar. Just need a bit of cleaning.
I mean, we have got a listed house, so officially we're not really we shouldn't have these windows, but we are allowed in emergency cases like we are allowed to actually put in any windows we need to put in. And so we did take them because they're double glazed, and we can temporarily, you know, make a repair. We've got storage space, so we've been able to take advantage of this stuff, and it means now we have a free repair, just time. So we've just popped across here to collect the tripod for filming and the horses. And look, Aidan's put me a temporary floor up on the mezzanine, so we can get a bit of an idea now. In the last video we were putting the beams up. Oops, sorry Aidan. They're completely put up now, so we get a much better idea of the space. Exciting. So we're going diagonal.
That corner is going over there. That corner is going over there.
Oh, you want this side down?
Okay.
It's quite heavy. We're not bothering.
No, that's
Okay,
all
so
behind.
for now. So this is one of the, there's 3 in total. That one is still intact, but it is single pane. This one we know. Oops, and then the other one actually does need replacing. It's we've made the cat flap in, but it is also single pane. So now comes the job of taking that one out, but without breaking the other panes.
Doesn't matter if we do, to be honest. But,
I might just stand back a little bit.
too much pressure.
Well, that didn't work.
That's it. But out in a big piece though.
We are hoping that when we do finally do down here, in this room, this will hopefully be a kitchen, and that we will have long doors going out onto a terrace. Currently, the roof of the pig, what was the pigsty, which is now just a garden store, that comes up to part way over the window. They're the window boxes that I was heading for, which, as you can see, need a little bit of work. I've got to find some nice. I think I might go for geraniums this year. But if anyone's got any suggestions for what I can put in my window boxes to make them trail beautifully down the side, please comment below, because I'm not a very good gardener. I'm keen, but not brilliant. Out the front I do have a pink rose, so something to match that would be great. Not an easy job. First year we were here, we basically just shoved all of this in and around the windows. I prized it away from the wall a little bit, but nice if that came down one piece. And yeah, don't know what we'll actually do with that, but it's useful to have a spare pane of glass when we've got quite a lot upstairs. This is how short the window is, so Aidan's just put a packer in there so that it's the right height.
That takes 90% of the weight out of it.
Well, yeah, that makes it easier to try.
Okay, final fitting. Just a bit neat on the building foam here. That is, I think, as good as it gets.
Okay.
Reutilising lots of building
Just
foam.
a bit of a gap. There is a little bit of a gap at the bottom here. Just
Yeah,
underneath
well,
there.
I'll just put building bauschaum in there.
Yeah.
And then trim it back.
But at least we won't have a big open window, that's the main thing.
I'm going to quite close to this edge, and here I'm going to drill a hole, then put some wall plugs into there, and one in the top here. I've got access to that. That could be
secure
one
it.
way, so. That would just be lovely, that one. Do that now.
One fixed window.
That's cool.